We will proceed to install the roof wall panels. Please ensure that you have all the necessary accessories. Align the holes on the P1 wall panel with the corresponding holes on the top and side beams, and secure them with F1 screws and V2 washers, taking note of the correct orientation of the wall panel. The hole position below is replaced by the slot position of the support rod. If the screw cannot align with the slot, you can gently push the wall panel to align the hole position. It should be noted that the screw should not be installed in the hole near the outer side. As shown in the video, please install the plate on the top of the housing in order. Do not switch the order to prevent misalignment of the holes for subsequent installation. After installation of the top plate P5, it is necessary to stop the installation and reserve a space for the assembly of the eaves. Align the holes in the middle of the two parts, then drive the F1 screws and V2 spacers. The assembled eaves are then aligned with the holes left in the roof P5 sheet, and then drive F1 screws and V2 spacers. After the eaves are assembled, to install the top panels, the eaves need to be gently lifted and then fixes the top panels with F1 screws and V2 spacers. The remaining top panels are installed in the order of the video. This completes the installation of our top wall panel.